Orlando, Florida, and we're going on a boat ride. This is amazing. Look at the water. So cool. You can barely see anything. So yeah, you can't.
Monsters are not in that ocean.
Oh, that was my brother talking. This is so amazing. Look at that. Can I? No. Oh, let me. You can see like literally everything from here. This is so amazing. Oh my God. Wait. This is so cool. There's another boat coming. We just got on the boat. So amazing. I'm scared because I think the boat's gonna flip over.